Hi, my name is Kayla, and I did my fall 2020 internship at Elite Care Physical Therapy located in Chesapeake Beach, Maryland. I learned quite a bit through this experience. One of the main things was bedside manner. I really, really learned how to speak to patients appropriately and how to treat each one as the individual they are, as in the breaking the barriers that I had held up in between each patient. There were a couple of things that were difficult. Like we had one lady that spoke primarily Spanish, one who's basically blind, the gender differences, but all throughout this experience, I've learned to just break those barriers down and come to each situation as appropriately as I can. One of the big things for me was also answering the phone. I hated answering the phone, but eventually I got used to answering the phone and I would do it confidently and I could do whatever they need. Another thing I learned was the why behind it all. I wanted to know why my physical therapist, Charlie, was doing certain things, like the constant annoying child asking why, that was me because I wanted to know why he did everything, not just what he was doing, but why. Why did he do this certain massage or why did he do this certain treatment? Um, Another big thing for me was why we use ultrasound, especially with the biofreeze, because I didn't understand that at all in the beginning. And he had told me that using the biofreeze and the ultrasound helps kind of penetrate it down into the muscle more, which that was really nice. My biggest challenge was apparel, which I did not realize until the end of the semester. I would wear plain, straight blue jeans and kind of like an athletic style shirt. Um, a lot of my other coworkers will wear like leggings and a t-shirt. I thought I was doing a little better than them, but obviously I wasn't because he told me at the end that was really the only negative thing. He just said, "In the future, don't wear jeans. In other environments, you never know what you're gonna have to wear," which made total sense. The phone again. I just did not do well answering the phone to begin with because I didn't know where to direct people. And making new appointments. When new patients would call, I wouldn't know how to make the appointments for them. So I would have to write it on a sticky note and wait for the front of desk person to come in the next day. My biggest takeaways. The same injury can happen in every single person, but it will be different in every single person. You can't expect every single person to be the same, heal the same, act the same, have the same pain tolerance. Everybody's going to be different. You have to individualize everything you do with them. And building relationships, just with your coworkers, with your patients, but especially with your coworkers. My PTA, she was in my position. She worked for Charlie as an aide, and now she's his assistant. So that is one of the best things to do. Um, and these are just my view where I work, and I'm just so blessed to work there. I wanted to share these pictures of the wildlife, and then this short little video. And that is it. Thank you for participating with me. Have a great evening.